I've been dreaming of this day and I've been waiting to start this journey from so long. And this is where a new journey begins. Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new video and one of the most memorable vlogs of mine. So the sun is rising, it's almost 6 o'clock now, and so is my exciting rising with the sun because today is the first day of my college. And guys must have read the title and you must have known why I'm so excited, right? So it's been a dream since 3 years that I have to go to medical college and start this new journey. But after a lot of roller coaster rides and after 5 months of delay since in 2025, I'm finally entering into medical college today. So let's capture the beginning of this exciting journey in the most memorable way. So I'll see you guys once I'm starting to my college. Yo guys, starting now, so ready with the bag and stuff. Wore a crisp mint green shirt with a beach pant. So just formals అన్నారు కాబట్టి wore whatever I had shopping వెళ్ళాలి అది ఇంకో vlog. So I maybe is full of content. I'm going right now and I'll see you guys in the college because that is where the whole dream, the whole life lies. Yo guys, so at the college right now, not very comfortable to vlog here, so just trying to capture stuff. Was busy with some work, so I'll see you guys after I go home. A lot of experiences to share, a lot of stories to share, but nothing to capture much. It's lunch break now. I have to go back to the class. Yo guys, back home. So actually I genuinely thought I'll make a good vlog at college, a good long vlog, but unfortunately couldn't vlog anything. There were seniors and stuff there, and there was also faculty there, so I just thought I'll skip vlogging today. The experience was amazing. I just had a good interaction session with my seniors in the bus, so I had a lot of fun. It felt very amazing. You had to make friends, you had to talk to a lot of people, but the bus is lovely. So yeah. So that's how I ended my day one, and I think you noticed that excitement on my face. So on day one, I did not speak to anyone, and out of all my classmates, all I knew was one of my schoolmate. So I was constantly at the back of my head thinking if I could make friends, mingle with people, or at least talk to someone. The first day anxiety, right? So that's how things went, and I was worried, but things changed from day two. So our seminars and the foundation course was going on, and as a part of it, I had to meet these guys. And probably because our vibes matched, we got along in like no time. And one day we decided to go and explore the canteen. Lunch break. So we just thought we'd explore canteen rather than having lunch because it's already over. So yeah, these are the adventures we are doing. Yeah, చెప్పండి.
CR కి vote చేయండి.
No CR. That is the worst thing to do. Please no. No, వీడే CR next year. Lover boy comes CR.
CR right here.
ఏంటి? Actually కాదు. Wait. As days went by, I met a lot of new people. I got close with few of them, and one day I got an opportunity to present a seminar. So without any second thought, I went and I grabbed the opportunity. And then... So Since the past few days, all of us have been seeing a lot of PPTs as a part of the foundation course, but they've also mentioned the term AI like a million times. So today, let's see how we. Even though this was my first seminar, the topic was such that I was little confident that things would go well. But because of few last moment hurdles, all of my confidence crashed. But thanks to the group and touch wood that everything went well. And I learned a new thing. I don't know if my confidence helped the seminar go well, but because the seminar went well, I got a lot of confidence. Yo guys, excitement please.
ఫేషియల్ కావాలి అప్పటి నుంచి బ్లీడ్ అవుతుంది
కాదు
అరే చాలా మంచి
పోస్ట్ ప్రెజెంటేషన్
good for
బాగా
health.
how was the presentation?
It was nice. It was very nice. Well presented by.
I look like an
She-
artist,
she-
but it was the
she-
wrong thing.
Basically, how was the presentation? నీకు ఎలా అనిపించింది గివింగ్ ద సెమినార్
చేసింది వాళ్ళకి
అదే
what I
గివింగ్ ద
studied
సెమినార్
was one thing, what I spoke there was completely different.
ఎంత
ఏది వస్తే అది సొల్లు కబుర్లు చెప్పారు అరే
Red.
ఇది కామెడీ ఉండారా డయాబెటీస్ కి ఏందన్నారా నువ్వు వీడియో పంట రాజు చేసినప్పుడు అయ్యో
హలో ఎక్స్క్యూజ్ మీ
before the end of this
I just started. Okay, how was the presentation?
Yeah, good. Not as expected though.
our honorary member come give review
Yeah.
honorary member
Third person review.
It was very nice. I could see upcoming leaders being
Like I
born.
just
Leaders being born.
Yeah.
Hasnika
And,
area.
new teachers also being born. I can see the future.
మనకి తెలియదురా ఏం చెప్తున్నా
Kada. Okay, so basically we are just done with the presentation. We are waiting for the buses, but the thing is, presentation అనుకున్నట్టు అస్సలు జరగలేదు. సో అక్కడున్న ప్రెషర్కి మేము రాసుకున్నంత మర్చిపోయి వచ్చింది చెప్పేసాం.
అరే నా 10th లో ఏదో ఫ్లాష్ బ్యాక్స్ వచ్చి ఏదేదో గుర్తొచ్చి ఐమ్ స్టార్టింగ్ టు క్రియేట్ న్యూ స్టఫ్ అప్పుడు కోడ్ కూడా రాసాను రెప్యుటేషన్ టు యూజ్ చేయాలి అండ్ రిప్లేస్ డోంట్ యూజ్ అదే
I searched that thing on Google.
I was stammering something. I forgot what I was going to say. Last
Did you make
no,
it on Google?
Yeah, I think I read something similar by someone who said. ఆ తర్వాత నేను ఏదో మిక్స్ చేసి మెడికల్
When I heard it,
తయారు
I was like, oh damn.
I legit,
was something unrelated
no,
to medicine.
legit half an hour I searched that quote on Google and then you just said it.
Legit half an hour you did the presentation.
This is why
Hey, 11 minutes చేసా,
How
8
you
minutes.
search for one code for half an hour?
Exactly.
Technologically stunted.
Technologically stunted, oh my god, తిరుగుతున్నారు.
మొత్తం స్పీచ్ ఇచ్చాడు.
Fine, talk to the vlog. I said talk.
Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like, share, comment.
Yay, let's go. I was actually ending the vlog here, Dalsa.
Oh, cut. Charge.
No, like, share and subscribe. So this is how I ended my first week at my college, with a lot of confidence and a ton of memories. And for more such videos, do like, share and subscribe.